Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Here's a short, quick video. Just got out of the detail shop. You know what this is behind me? Yep, it's my personal, well not personal, but for sale now. 2016 Ford F-250 LARIAT 6.7 liter turbo diesel 4x4. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I was doing the video. Check it out. It's getting kind of dark. The sun's gone. There's only this light up right here that I had. But I had to share the enthusiasm with you guys because I just got out of the detail shop. My guy did a fabulous job of detailing it. It looks stellar and it's beautiful. Check it out. Hope you guys can see it. 2016 Ford F-250. We put a brand new rough country, 4.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit on here. It comes with the shocks, these springs, the drop bracket for your steering, stabilizer bar, the drop bracket for your, sway bar. It comes with the rear shocks, rough country rear shocks right here, and the block to go in the rear. All brand new setup, guys. Full 4-inch MBRP exhaust. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. I'm gonna have to shut off quick because it's gonna switch to my Bluetooth. Listen to this sucker. Kick-ass truck. Sounds absolutely beast. And its stance is incredible. My buddy Mark over at Deluxe lifted it for me. Did a great job. Looks really, really tough going down the road, guys. I'm gonna do another video here right after this one, probably tomorrow, maybe even, I'd say, I hate to say it, probably Sunday or Monday maybe, because I got so much going on tomorrow. I'm actually dropping my GT350 off to be tweaked and tuned a little bit. My supercharged GT350 you've seen in the previous video. So hope you guys like the truck. This is a short video. This is the 2016 Ford F-250 LARIAT 6.7 liter turbo diesel power stroke. All blacked out. This is the murdered out edition, guys. The murdered out edition. This is the truck with the fully built tranny. It's got it's deleted, it's tuned, navigation, backup, sunroof, you name it, heated seats, cooled seats. Absolutely fun truck to drive. These were painted gloss black, gloss black, gloss black, gloss black. The rear, gloss black. Why did I do that? Because I love to match the truck. And why did I do that? Because Ford makes it this dull gray. You guys are probably used to the dull like silver. It's like a flat silver. It looks ugly. When you hit it, it scrapes it. Yeah, whatever. Paint those suckers. Spend the $150 and get them all painted. Drop them off to your paint guy. It looks so much better. Hope you guys can see it, but you probably can't. You see the passenger side. It's nice and glossy. Anywho, I did the vent, the vents itself, gloss black, left the ring chrome, and then painted the outer side piece black, and it gives it a nice contrast from gloss black, like the same exact paint coat of the truck, chrome, gloss black. The contrast is absolutely beautiful, guys. I got my control knobs here for my tune and the rev switch, and it's just a great truck. I'm gonna do a better video for you guys, I promise. Hope you guys enjoy this short video. All LED lights, top to bottom, inside and out of this truck, and it's got the, I forgot to tell you about the wheels and tire combo. It's the 20, we went with a 20x12 Chrome FUEL Maverick on a 35 1250 20-inch tire. Like I said, on this 4.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, no rub left hand or right hand turn at all. No rubbing, no scrubbing on the front. Even on this big, lower, huge 10-inch valance that Ford comes in the factory with, no rubbing there. No, didn't have to trim a thing. Did not have to trim anything. And on the back, didn't have to trim anything at all. Hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go more into detail about the truck later on down the week. Stay tuned. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe, keep it real, and I'm wearing a t-shirt in like 28 degree or 33 degree weather, whatever, who cares. I'm all pumped up. Hope you guys like it too. See you, bye.